K-Drama Fanatics here, and welcome back to my channel! Twinkling Watermelon, also known as Sparkling Watermelon. It will tell the story of a boy living a double life between a model student and a band member who gets to travel back in time in 1995 and meets his 18-year-old father. Then they form a band called Watermelon Sugar. The two will build a friendship there and communicates with them through music. Starring Ryo Eun, Choi Yun Wook, Sol In Ah, and Shin Yoon Soo. Ryo Eun played the role as Yoon Gyeol. He is the only member of his deaf family who can hear. Yoon Gyeol is a perfect and excels as a model student in academics by day, but at night he embraces his passion for music as a guitarist in a band. Choi Yun Wook will play the role as Lee Chan, a hot-blooded man who seems to have jumped out of a cheerful character. He grew up in his grandmother's boarding house surrounded by a college student. Despite his young age, he exudes Generation X vibes. Lee Chan enhances his character's charms with subtle hand gesture and suave speaking. Sol In Na will play the role as Choi Sekyung, the cello goddess and prodigy of Sowon Arts High School. She is a person called everyone's muse with her innocent beauty and elegant aura, reminiscent of a scene in a movie. Lee Chan has a crush on her. He admires her beauty and tries to win her heart. Shin Yoon Soo will play the role as Yoon Chong Ah, a cold and arrogant person who is born deaf. She dreams of a sparkling life similar to Frida Kahlo, who proclaimed Viva la Vida in the face of adversity. Being a deaf since birth adds complexity to her character. The supporting cast members contribute a wealth of talent and depth to the story. Choi Won Young and So Young Hee bring authenticity and emotion to their roles as Yoon Gyeol's parents, while Chun Ho Jin adds wisdom and guidance to the story as he plays the role of the wise and experienced owner of an instrument shop. Additionally, Jung Sang-hoon portrays as a master who brings profound knowledge and influence to the lives of others. And Go Do-shim played the role as Go Young-hee. She is Lee Chan's grandmother and the owner of the boarding house. Yoon Jae-chan as Kang Yoon-yul, the genius bassist. Lee Soo-chan as No Sebum, the talented keyboardist. Lee Ha-min as Lee Shi-kook. He is the band drummer. And An Dok-kyu as Oh Ma-ju, the band manager and Lee Chan's childhood friend. Kim Tae-woo as Yoon Gyeon-young. Kim Joo-ryong as Lim Jimmy. Bong Jae-yoon as Yoon Ho, and Lee Suk-yong as Jung Balsan. Twinkling Watermelon is a fantasy, youth drama, and a mysterious musical journey with a storyline that is both intriguing and inspiring. It helmed by director Son Jong-yeon and Yoon Bom-sang, and written by writer Jin So-wan. It is scheduled to premiere on September 25, 2023, aired in TVN every Monday and Tuesday. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.